Every single second, millions of people stream Netflix, upload photos, use ChatGPT, play online games and store files online. But have you ever wondered where actually all this data lives? Because believe it or not, most of your photos, videos and files are not actually stored on your phone. They exist inside gigantic buildings filled with supercomputers. And that is the power of cloud computing. Imagine you build a small food delivery app. At first, only 10 people use it. Easy. But suddenly, your app goes viral. Now thousands of people are using it at the same time. Your normal computer can't handle all that traffic anymore. So you would need expensive servers, massive storage, cooling systems, security and backup systems. And honestly, that's incredibly expensive. So instead of buying huge computers yourself, you would rent computing power from companies like Amazon, Google or Microsoft. These companies already own gigantic data centers around the world. You simply use their computers through the internet. That's nothing but cloud computing. In simple words, cloud computing means using storage, software and computing power through the internet instead of your own computer. So instead of storing everything locally, you access resources from powerful remote servers. That's why Google Photos store your images online, Netflix streams movies instantly, Spotify plays music without downloading songs, ChatGPT works from anywhere. All of this runs on the cloud. And here comes the crazy part. Most of the people already use cloud computing every single day without even realizing it. Every Gmail message, every Instagram reel, every Zoom meeting, every online game depends on cloud servers. Now cloud computing has three main types, and the easiest way to understand them is with the example of food. The first one is IaaS, that stands for Infrastructure as a Service. This is like renting a kitchen. You get stove, fridge and equipment, but you cook everything yourself. In terms of cloud computing, you rent servers, storage and networking. Examples for these are the Amazon EC2, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Engine. It is mostly used by developers and the companies. Second one is the PaaS, which stands for Platform as a Service. Now imagine the kitchen and the ingredients are already prepared. You just focus on cooking. That's PaaS. The provider gives hardware, software and development environment. So developers can build apps faster. Examples for these are the Heroku, Google App Engine and AWS Elastic Beanstalk. The third one is the SaaS, which stands for Software as a Service. This one is easiest. You simply order food and eat it. No cooking, no setup, no maintenance. That's SaaS. You directly use the software online. Examples for these are your Gmail, Google Docs, Zoom meetings, Netflix, Spotify. This is what most people use daily. Clouds can also be divided based on who uses them. That is public cloud and the private cloud. Public cloud is something that is shared by many users. Examples of these are the AWS, Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. Anyone can use these services, whereas coming to private cloud, it is only used by a single organization. That is, the information will be shared only in that particular organization, and anyone outside that organization cannot access this data. So it will be having more security and more control over its data. It is mostly used by banks, governments and large companies. And the last one is the hybrid cloud. As the name suggests, it is the combination of public cloud and private cloud. That is, some services stay private while others run publicly. Most modern companies use hybrid cloud technology today. Now let us look at the biggest cloud companies in the world. The first one is the AWS, Amazon Web Services, the largest cloud provider globally. Next one is a Microsoft Azure, very popular among enterprises and Windows systems. Next one is the Google Cloud Platform, known for AI and machine learning services. Next, we are having the IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud and DigitalOcean are also the major cloud platforms. Developers also use tools like Docker, Kubernetes and Terraform to manage applications efficiently. So why does everyone love cloud computing? Because it offers scalability. That is, the apps can grow instantly, and the cost saving. You only pay for what you use. Accessibility. You can access the files from anywhere. Backup and recovery. safer data storage. You can deploy apps globally within minutes. That's why even small startups can compete with large organizations today. And the future even gets crazier. AI, self-driving cars, smart devices, future apps, all heavily dependent on cloud computing. Without the cloud, modern AI simply wouldn't exist. Now tell me in the comments, which cloud-based app do you use most? Whether it is Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, YouTube or any other app. Let me know in the comments below. If you have found this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future updates. And that's it for me today. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.